Yo everybody, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel after 1 year. Today we're doing KSI's boxing training workout circuit straight from the Sidemen video. Links in the description if you want to go see that. Let's not waste any time. Let's get right into it. Alright, so getting right into the workouts. I've broken it down into 2 separate sections. The first section, we got upright rows, lateral jumps, the clean and press, and what I've dubbed the butt scooch. I'm not sure if there's a proper name for it or not. But we're going to be doing that in 30-second intervals with 2-minute breaks in between each set. And we're going to do 7 sets. That's what KSI did. I'm not sure about the 30 seconds and 2 minutes rest, but that's just making it viable for the average human to complete. So that's what we're doing today. Let's get right into it. So first up, we got some single arm kettlebell upright rows, as you can see here. Next up is some lateral jumps over top of a box or a punching bag or anything that you can find that you could jump over. Next up, we got the clean and press with any amount of weight that feels comfortable that you could do for 30 seconds with good form. Last but not least, the butt scooch. Make sure you find a wide open area and a flat surface that you can scooch on down. Alright, next up we got some variations for some people just starting their cardio journey. We got the double arm upright row with the kettlebell. Make sure it's a lightweight so you can do a whole lot of reps with good form for that 30 seconds. Next up, we got some lateral step ups, making sure they're quick, yet your foot placement is good. Next up, we got another clean and press. Just like the normal one, make sure you got a light enough weight on there to keep good form and be able to complete it for that 30 seconds. And last but not least, the modified butt scooch, where you're using both your hands and your feet to pick your butt up off the ground and push yourself backwards. All demonstrated here by my man Rory. Thank you for helping me out and demonstrating all of these workouts. Alright, so now we're going to be doing a new segment called Workout With Me. We're going to be doing the workout together. I got a full segment of me doing the entire circuit with you. So we're going to take a pause, make sure you got your kettlebell, your box jump over, your clean and press ready, and your butt scooch area good to go. Are you ready? Because here we go.
Three, 2, 1, and you're good. 3, 2, 1, and go. Three, 2, 1, you're done. Ready? Yep. Go. 10 seconds, come on. 3, 2, 1. Good shit. The half jog, dude. Love it. Love it. I can't tell if it's Ryan or my grandpa in front of me.
Here, Sonny.
Alright, 3, 2, 1, go.
Back in my day, we didn't do foot scooches.
Come on, burn it this time. Push. You're halfway there, come on, push. Good shit.
My shoulder, my leg, not my legs hurt. My shoulders hurt really.
Alrighty guys, that is the end of the video today. Make sure to leave a like down below, subscribe to the channel, share the video. All those things help support me and the channel. If you are a returning viewer from the past years, just want to thank you personally for coming back and supporting the channel. It means a lot to me. Since I don't have a new outro, enjoy the original one, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss still burning. Didn't know I missed this passionate life. Now I'm addicted somehow.